Top 5 Say goodbye to unwanted hair with best epilators in the market. If you struggle to find the time to shave multiple times per week, or even every day, you might want to check out our selection of epilators. We've included corded and cordless options in sizes suitable for everything from a full leg treatment to removing peach fuzz from the upper lip. The process takes some getting used to, but it provides a longer lasting smoothness than a razor blade can offer. Braun Epilator Silk Epil 99720.
What is your first thought about epilation? Ouch? Let's face reality, epilation causes pain. The perception of this is different for everyone, especially the first time. Why? Because it plucks the hair from the root. The good news is that pain is reduced with regular use. And there is more you can do. Epilate with short hair. The ideal hair length is between 0.5 and 5 millimeters. Longer hairs may need more passes with more discomfort. Using a wet and dry epilator in the bathtub with warm water reduces discomfort. Brown epilators feature massage rollers that help to make epilation more comfortable. For weeks of smooth skin, not just days.
IPL hair removal, laser hair removal.
Are you tired of the hassle and expense of constant salon visits for hair removal? Look no further. The Amatos IPL laser hair removal device is the answer to all of your hair removal needs. This device has been selling like hotcakes in the United States and Europe, and for a good reason. It is currently ranked in the top 3 on Amazon, making it a trusted choice among many. Let's take a closer look at the 5 main advantages that make this device a must-have in your beauty routine. Advantage 1. IPL hair removal for women and men with cooling. Say goodbye to the pain and the discomfort of traditional hair removal methods. The upgraded Amatos laser hair removal device has a built-in refrigeration sheet that starts the cooling mode at power on. This unique feature cools the skin while emitting pulse light, giving you a painless and comfortable experience. Advantage 2. Permanent hair removal, safe and gentle. Say goodbye to hair regrowth with the Amatos IPL laser hair removal device. It uses intense pulse light to damage the hair follicle, achieving permanent.
Braun Epilator Silk Epil 33270.
What is your first thought about epilation? Ouch? Let's face reality, epilation causes pain. The perception of this is different for everyone, especially the first time. Why? Because it plucks the hair from the root. The good news is that pain is reduced with regular use. And there is more you can do. Epilate with short hair. The ideal hair length is between 0.5 and 5 millimeters. Longer hairs may need more passes with more discomfort. Using a wet and dry epilator in the bathtub with warm water reduces discomfort. Brown epilators feature massage rollers that help to make epilation more comfortable. For weeks of smooth skin, not just days.
XSOUL at home IPL hair removal for women and men.
Short skirts are perfect for girls in the hot summer. However, with some unwanted body hair, girls are worried that it may ruin their beauty and elegance when wearing short skirts. Shaving hair with honey waxing is too painful. Shavers are better but only maintain a short time with low efficiency, and the hair removal cream may cause skin irritation. Our professional IPL hair removal device with the advanced hair removal technology can remove your body hair easily and protect your skin as well. Professionally designed with the advanced IPL technology, this hair removal device can prevent the growth of the hair inside the body, getting rid of body hair permanently. 5 energy level settings suitable for different skin sensitivities. 100% safe and painless hair removal, carrying your skin gently. 2 models for your selection, making hair removal much easier and your skin more smooth. 500,000 flashes can be reused many times. save cost, save time. This professional IPL hair removal device suits for different colors of the skin. Before use, please check your skin color if suitable or not, because it doesn't suit the dark skin. First, shave the body hair. Wear glasses. Press the switch, choose the proper level, touch the skin with 90 degrees vertically, and move slowly to avoid staying in the same area for a long time. Auto mode that can be used to remove the hair on the face, on the bikini line, and underarms. Manual mode can be used to remove body hair accurately on the back, arms, and legs.
I want to recommend this hair removal device because just only a few weeks I get rid of my body hair. It's really amazing. All body hair disappeared without any pain. This is the best hair removal device I have used. Just only 2 minutes can remove hair on my face and lips.
The professional IPL hair removal device easily solves the problem of body hair, makes your skin smooth, and lets your beauty shine.
Crystal Hair Eraser, reusable crystal hair remover. Visit our site reviewparks.com, link in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe.